So I have a 2011 Crown Victoria instrument cluster in for repair. It's suffering a couple of things. It's got the typical odometer being out, and it also has, pretty much complete failure going on. I do see some activity on the gauges. I see these two LEDs. This is also a typical problem of these units. I can see too that this gauge cluster has been in for repair before by the gauge pros, and I guess maybe it was out of warranty or maybe they just didn't fix it properly. So I can see the work that they've done, and it's pretty shabby. We can see some of the globs here. Let's see, look at that. I don't know if you can see it in by the camera, but look how tall that is. Look, there's just no sense in that. All right, so I got this guy cleaned up and repaired last night. Um, I did the odometer first, and then I tackled the power loss issues, and also the customer wanted red backlighting. So I'm gonna hit the switch here. As we can see, there's our odometer. There's our backlighting and all our indicators. And I actually let this guy run all night without any problems. But yeah, there it is, all repaired. Thanks for watching. If you need this service, send me a message or check out keyworks.us.